A very random video here. I made some of my eggs for meal prep and it was really bomb. And then I made some beef patty, Jamaican beef patty, and on the first day I made the mince mixture with like a ton of spices and left it in the fridge till the next day. And then on the second day I made the pastry. Oh yeah, that looks so juicy. It was actually so delicious. The pastry had so much butter in it and like a few spices as well to make it nice and yellow, like turmeric to make it nice and yellow. And the pastry was honestly quite labor intensive to make, I'm not even gonna lie. I feel like I could have made it a lot easier for myself, but I just didn't for some reason. But honestly, it was worth it. It was so delicious. So I can't really complain. And this is me assembling everything, pressing it all together. It was so crispy, but the thing I would say for next time is that it could be more juicy. I could have maybe added a little bit more stock into the mince mixture. I would make it again. It was honestly so good. And then we also had some jerk chicken to continue the Jamaican vibe.